So we're halfway done. Carol, give me 3 words to describe the hike so far.
Really, really easy.
Sarah, what are your 3 words to describe this hike?
I'm eating. Where's Nicola? There he is.
Hello. I say it's easy, but I'm like out of breath the entire time, so it's not like it's like moderate, you know? There we go. This is it right here. This is the shot. Oh my god. And I'm walking. I'm gonna fall like any second.
Really?
So the reason we had to run away is because this woman asked us for a quick photo, and then Carol ended up doing like a 20-minute photo shoot. Yeah, she had a lot of demands, but we finally got the perfect photo, you know. So now we're sprinting away before she asks for more.
Sort of don't want to walk anymore.
Do you want me to come help? I can come help. Alright, help incoming.
Thank you, Nicola.
Ta-da.
Nicola, are you not joining us?
I might just watch.
You're kidding me?
You guys go in and I'll make sure I get the video evidence of you guys going in. Is that fair? And then I don't have to go in.
Oh, it's very cold. I'm doing it. I'm not doing it. Okay, record. 1, 2. Oh, it's so cold. I'm not doing it.
Oh, it's really cold.
Let's go, Nicola. I feel clean, like after, which is nice. How is it? I feel like we screamed a lot more.
I just know that your hair's dry like
It's really useful.
10 minutes after you like go in the water.
It's really useful.
There's no more rocks for Carol to fix right as I started filming. Carol's on a rock fixing spree to return the rocks back to its respectful holes.
Oh, we'll go right there.
Uh-oh, here we go, here we go. Ta-da. Fuel, stove, food, Carol. And you can even see Sarah in the distance. There she is. Carol, the master chef.
Oh man. Yeah.
Shake it up. Shake it up. Alright, I'll do the honors.
What is this now? Oh, this.
It's not bad.
Which one's better, mac and cheese or this one?
It's not fully hydrated though.
Oh. Need more water?
Or more time.
Or more time? Or more mixing?
I'm not sure, but it's crunchy.
I guess. It smells really good though, guys. This one's really good, actually. I like it. I'm kind of cold. We're trying to decide whether to go back and get our jackets or not.
I think we should have.
It's your breath.
It's getting a little
Chilly. There's blueberries. You're like an unripe blueberry.
There's no context because you can't see me in the video. See, this is a good video. So
I catch a grenade for you.
no. So I'm just gonna be standing outside. Everyone's gonna be going in the tent.
Okay.
You just need to put your knee down.
Okay.
And then you just need to like push forward.
Push forward?
Yeah.
Here we have Nicola stretching on my tent pad. Straight back to town. Oh, this is such a nice view.
Carol, move the light so now you can't see shit. Carol, move the light back. Now you can see Sarah. Now you can't see shit.
Carol needs to look at me.
Carol, look at. Let me pan to the sky real quick. Can you see any stars? No, you can't. Oh, there's one. But we can, so sucks for you, to be honest. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Hi.
Is she in the shot?
Yes. How'd you sleep?
I didn't really too much. How did you?
Same. Ow! Ow!
I'm
Ow!
really sorry. Are you okay?
Ow!
There's our breakfast right there. In the blue bag, I can see it. Photo shoot. This part will be muted out with nice music, so we just laugh.
Do whatever the hell you want to do. So Carol, we're not sure where to go next. It's that way.
There she is.
Goodbye, Sarah. Can I drink it? I didn't bring my life straw. Probably not a good idea.
You could probably drink it. That's oatmeal, chocolate chips, and what? Coffee?
Nescafe
Oh.
latte.
That's breakfast right there. Breakfast of champions. Mine looks like chocolate pudding.
Mm.
This is the best selfie shot we've taken.
It's not a selfie shot though, it's a video.
Yeah, video selfie shot. And there's space for 3 of us to hike.
Just don't fall down.
Taking a video of the scenic washer.
Chicken wrap, small poutine.
And a junior bacon cheeseburger.
Okay.
Could I get Dave's double combo?
See you too.
Let's go.
Oh, what is? It's good to be home.